Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. Today's video is sponsored by 7E Wellness, my favorite microcurrent device company. This video is going to go over the MyoLift 600 professional microcurrent device. So this video is going to talk about what this gadget is, the technologies it offers. We'll talk briefly about the MyoLift 600 Booster Facial, which is the signature treatment that you can perform with your MyoLift 600 device. I'll also go through all of the products included in the MyoLift 600 Booster Facial Kit, which comes with your device when you purchase it. And very quickly, just so everyone is clear, this is a professional microcurrent device. So if you're not a licensed esthetician, unfortunately, you won't be able to purchase this. So for all of my unlicensed microcurrent enthusiasts out there, please make sure that you watch the videos I have on 7E Wellness's MyoLift Mini, which is a professional device available to consumers for use at home. The MyoLift 600 is a professional, FDA-cleared, true microcurrent device that offers two unique waveform blend programs and an intensity range between 175 and 600 microamps, hence its name, the MyoLift 600. So what exactly does all that mean? So let's first talk about intensity. Intensity refers to the intensity of the current. It's measured in microamps, and intensity will either increase or decrease stimulation when you're doing a microcurrent treatment. Studies show that when you perform microcurrent at an intensity of 500 microamps, you're able to increase ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, by up to 500%. So this is really fantastic because our ability to produce this ATP, which is our body's cellular energy, decreases as we age. And we need the cellular energy to perform all cellular functions to maintain healthy skin. So in terms of skincare, it's really important. Every time that you do a microcurrent treatment, you're able to increase this energy, allowing your cells to function optimally and perform better, which will give you really amazing long-term lasting results. The MyoLift 600 gives you the ability to offer a higher intensity during your microcurrent facials. And this will add value both to your treatments and to your clients, enabling you to get better results in less time. Now let's talk about waveforms. So a waveform is the pattern of the current and the shape of how it enters your skin to affect biological change. Each waveform creates a different reaction in the skin. The MyoLift 600 offers two programs. Each has a unique waveform blend. So two different waveforms blended together to create this specific reaction in the skin. 7E Wellness makes it really easy for you. One's called long and one's called short. Long is a blend of square and rectangle waveforms that work to lengthen and stretch the muscle, reprogramming it into a relaxed state, smoothing adhesions, and minimizing wrinkles and fine lines. The short program is a blend of square and sine waveforms. These waveforms talk to the Golgi tendon, which is in the belly of the muscle, and it tells it to tone and tighten the muscle, reprogramming it into a shorter state. So you're going to use the long setting on lines and wrinkles, areas of the face where the muscle is tight. You're going to use this waveform to elongate the muscle, which will in turn smooth out the skin, lines and wrinkles included. You're going to use short to shorten loose or sagging muscles, to re-educate, tone, and tighten the face. This will be great for contouring and lifting. The MyoLift 600 device offers two preset intensities for each program. So long 1 and long 2, short 1 and short 2. Long 1 and short 1 both offer preset intensity starting at 300 microamps. long 2 and short 2 offer a preset intensity of 600 microamps. If you'd like to work at a different intensity, simply increase or decrease intensity using the intensity buttons. So for each of 7E Wellness's professional microcurrent devices, they've created a professional protocol that goes with each device. So the MyoLift 600 has a signature treatment called the MyoLift 600 Booster Facial. This can be done as a standalone facial or ideally, for best results, as part of a series of 4 treatments. This is a fantastic treatment for boosting that cellular energy. Included with the device, you'll get access to 7E Wellness's online educational portal. On there, you'll find all kinds of additional educational information and even videos. I'm actually in the process of creating the educational video for the MyoLift 600 Booster Facial. So if you're worried about knowing how to perform this facial, I'm going to be giving you step-by-step instructions during a full face demonstration. And we'll not only talk about the movements, but each muscle associated with those movements. So stay tuned for those. That should be available in the next few months. And it's a nice way to have additional education that I won't be posting here on YouTube. But ultimately, I wanted to tell you about this signature facial because when you purchase your MyoLift 600, you're actually purchasing the MyoLift 600 Booster Facial Kit. In this kit, you'll get your MyoLift 600 microcurrent device, your MyoLift 600 probes, 1 lead wire, a 4-ounce ATP booster mask, a 4-ounce jar of the Restore Conductivity Gel, a 4-ounce jar of the Renew Conductivity Gel, 4 ounces of the Replenish Conductivity Spritzer, 4 eye masks, 4 lip masks, your charging cable, access to the online portal, and a case to store everything in. Okay, so really quickly, let's just recap. The MyoLift 600 is a professional true microcurrent device. It offers 2 unique waveform blends, long and short. Long works to elongate and smooth the muscle, which in turn minimizes fine lines and wrinkle depth. Short works to re-educate the muscle, lifting and tightening it, making it great for firming and contouring the face. It also offers an intensity range of 175 to 600 microamps, which enables you to see improved results in a reduced time. The MyoLift 600 is fantastic for estheticians looking to increase the anti-aging capacity of the facials that they already offer. I get asked a lot whether I would suggest the Mini or the 600 if you're just starting out. And if it's within your budget, I would really recommend the 600 because of that increased intensity level. You're just going to be able to offer better results. This retails for $1,199.99, or if you use my discount code, Organic Esthetician, you can get it for $1,140. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope it gave a little more insight into what the MyoLift 600 is and what it does. Again, the movements are going to be the same as the MyoLift Mini. So I will link my MyoLift Mini tutorial down below so you can see it. You'll have access to the portal once you purchase the 600. And that'll give you way more in-depth information on the technologies and how to actually use the device and perform the signature treatment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below or reach out to 7E Wellness directly. They're really helpful and their customer service team is usually pretty responsive. I'll put links to everything I talked about down below in addition to my discount code. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, leave a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I'll have a few more of these microcurrent videos coming up shortly, and then I'm hoping to get back into a little more consistent posting routine for you. It's just hard because I travel as an educator with a skincare brand, and I see clients at home, and I make videos. So the videos sometimes get pushed to the side, But I really appreciate you all being patient, and I am going to try to make more of these for you this year. Guys, super nice seeing you. Happy New Year, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.